Sawadee krap. My name is Triston. I do HackerRank challenges. I, uh, I know some JavaScript. I'm trying to get better at JavaScript. Doing HackerRank challenges. I'm recording it, recording the process, um, from the very first one to whichever one I ended up stopping on. I don't know what that's gonna be, but that's what I'm doing. And if you like this kind of stuff, if you want to see more, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Yeah, so let's get into it. I'm gonna start another HackerRank challenge, and I've already got it all prepared here. I don't really have it all prepared here, but I'm gonna say I do. And I'm just gonna cut right here. What do you know? We have HackerRank. Okay, cool. So let's get started. Continue practice. Let's see what HackerRank has in store for us today. All right, it's loading. There we go. A very big sum. Success rate 98.65%. So this looks promising. It's an easy one, of course. It's got to be easy. If it's not easy, what am I doing? Wasting time. Got to start off easy. All right, let's see. A very big sum. Calculate and print the sum of the elements in an array, keeping in mind that some of those integers may be quite large. Function description. Complete the a very big sum function in the editor below. It must return the sum of all array elements. Sounds like another reduce. A very big sum has the following parameters. R, an array of integers. Input format. First line of the input consists of an integer in. The next line contains in space separated integers contained in the array. Print the integer sum of the elements in the array. Yeah, it looks like it'd just be another reduce. So constraints, it'll always be between 1 and 10. And and the length of the array will always be 0 to 10 to the power of 10. So because the length of the array can be 0, that's our base case. We need to check to see if the array is 0 or not. Pretty sure. It looks like, so the sample input, it looks like it's another, yeah, the first element input consists of an integer in. First line of the input consists of an integer in. Next line contains in space separated. Consists of an integer in. Did I skip over something? When we add several integer values, the resulting sum might exceed the above range. You might need to use long int in C or C++ or long data type in Java to store such sums. I don't know anything about that. I'm using JavaScript. It didn't say anything about JavaScript. But it's looking like, so it's just a sum. I don't know what this really is. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I feel like an idiot. It's the length of the array. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Complete a very big sum function below. If this is all that this is, I might have to do like 2 per video because this is going to be way too fast. So just, for clarity's sake, I'm going to go over this one more time. Very big sum has the following parameters. R, an array of integers. The next line contains in space separated integers containing an array. Print the integer sum of the elements in the array. Yeah, so it's just the sum of the elements in the array. So we're going to say if r.length is less than 1, or I think I could probably just say if not r.length, then return what? Return 0? Because it would be it's saying that the length can be anywhere from 0 to a shit ton. So I'm just gonna assume that's that's a thing. So if the if the array.length is a falsy value, which would be 0, then return 0. I think. I don't know what it's really wanting me to return if there's nothing there. That may not even be a case. I don't know. It may not even be a test case, so I could be writing that for no reason, but just in case. All right. So if that's the case, return 0. Otherwise, return r.reduce. My voice kind of cracked there for a second. r.reduce accumulator and current arrow function, and then we're going to say the accumulator plus the current. Let's see what happens. Okay, so that one passed. There's only 2 test cases here, really? I wish it would show me. I have to have 5 hackos. 5 hackos to see that. Really. But anyway, yeah, that was super basic. So just to kind of summarize what I did, there's an array that's got a ridiculous amount of values. All I'm doing is adding them together. The array can be empty, I'm assuming. So at the beginning, I just check, is this array empty? If it is, just return 0. If it's not, then I want to add all of them together. The way I did that is arrays have a method that you can call on them called reduce, which takes an accumulator and a current value. And I think it might take more than that, actually. Oh, it takes a like a starting. I think it's like a read-only value, like a I think it's like you could pass an array in there or something like that. Like a starting. So I guess if you wanted it to start with like start with a value or start with a set of values or something. I think I'm not entirely sure, but anyway, I returned the array.reduce because .reduce it returns a value. It returns a single value. So it just pretty much loops through the entire array, adds them all up, returns that number, and that's how I got that. Yeah, so it's the same as the very first one that I did. This is just a very big sum. I guess where the real challenge comes in for this one is if you are using the C, C++, or Java, I guess would be where those extra bits come in. I have no idea. But alright, well, that completes this short video. If you liked it, hit the subscribe, hit the like. It really helps, I guess. I have no idea. This is my first time doing this. But everyone says it helps, so hey, I'm going with the masses on this one. Do that. And yeah, hit the little bell icon if you want to see more of this stuff. I'm going to be posting quite a bit. I may end up posting every single one of these HackerRank videos. So that could be a thing in the future. I don't know, but we'll see. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you guys are taking it easy. Have a good one.